Okay, so we continue. We had an issue with the platform. I'm trying to solve this with Apex now. Couldn't close my short at almost break even. So hopefully hopefully Apex will look at the video that I sent before and fix this, because that wasn't. It was just basic. It wasn't my fault. It was 100% some kind of glitch on, I don't know whose side. Ninja Trader provided by Apex or the servers. There was definitely something wrong there. That's why I'm down 1,000. I'm not supposed to be down. So I have another 2 accounts, but I'm sure I'm trading now. So I will record everything to make sure there's no issues with understanding where the problem comes. Well, basically, I was shorting. I had my first short here, second here, and I added another one here, and I wanted to close everything into break even, and I wasn't able. I was just hitting close buttons, and it didn't happen. And then I wake up and then I look like 10 minutes later and I'm down 1,200. And yeah, it's like crazy. I mean, like how is this possible? But anyway, I leave this to them to see and understand, and they will come back to me for sure with some constructive answer and solution to that issue. And then I couldn't even log in into my Apex account. So definitely some problem there. Okay, so what do we have? We got crazy buying today. I was shorting this because of it was just the open push, expected to grab some liquidity, and they did retest that level and then decided to go up. So it's a gap and go day so far, and we'll see how far we're gonna go. Lunch is in US in another 7, like 1 hour, I think, like 30 minutes. What time is it now? New York. It's 11 o'clock almost. So yeah, so this can continue up. Too late for me to go long. At this point, I'll wait till lunch, and I'll be shorting the range and going long as well in the range during the lunchtime. We'll see.
Order submitted.
So I'm waiting for a break of this 20 moving average. We just had stop losses here at 3 o'clock. We didn't take them, but there's a pullback. It's a possible pullback. We'll see if we break that 20 on the second push lower. If not, then I'll have to close this. Okay, it's kind of holding this level. We have this volume here. I mean, ideal situation would be if we just drop to this 23%. Because we have made almost literally 3/4. We almost got to the top on the second leg. Plus, we have a problem here with this trapped longs. Sorry, trapped longs. We'll be getting out. So, I just wanna stay in short right now. Let's see. Depending how they want to do it, because they have stop losses up here, they might just pull these longs now and pull them down. They will follow, they will sell, everybody will sell. They may just grab the liquidity. The question is, are we gonna go lower than this on that push or not? That's the main question. Basically, I'm kind of front running this level. Front running this level of trapped longs up here. And we'll see if it works or not. Nasdaq as well. It's pretty much the same place. We could get a nice pullback from here. I will do that now because it's now or never, basically. Yeah. Somebody's buying that at this level. Too many buyers. They still consider this as a good price to buy. I will tell you something. I'm gonna. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Let's just take
Order
half
filled.
here. And we'll see how far can we go on this one. See, there's a volume. And they might decide to actually take that volume. And go a bit lower. A 23% pullback would be healthy. Yeah. But it looks like they're not gonna do it. I'll try to push this higher now. Yeah, they're gonna push this higher.
Order filled.
Trend is up. Oh, now they're dropping. $2,000 delta. Let's try to get short on that. 11 seconds. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for the push up here. If it's gonna happen. Yeah. So why I got in that short first place? Basically, we had this drop, and I measured a drop from here to there, and that's pretty much the distance where the market's supposed to go. Beautiful drop. Unfortunately, I'm not in it close to early. It's almost 50% drop now. Too fast going down. Yeah. They're buying back. Well, maybe we can buy as well. Oh, yeah. I'll just pull it down to grab the liquidity. If they pull it down, we're gonna hold, we're gonna build. Then we'll try to push it through these stop losses up here. That means that we should try to go long.
Order submitted.
Probably not the best place to go long, but we are trading up. And then we'll try to push up there. So we're minus 3,700 on delta, now it's only minus 200, 100. If 2,100, that's almost 2,000 difference. So now they can use these shorts who are shorting that. They're going to be closing. And we can push into the stop losses and go higher. That's what they want to do. We have POC at 32. This is I don't remember now. Is it 100 now? Or 200? It's 200. SMA in 4 hour. Here's 4 hour. Watch this on 30 minutes. Let's see. So I'm sitting in this long. Market is going up. I stay in long. I got 10 more minutes. That's the test now. What are they gonna do? So from 3,700 to minus 1,500 on Delta, so 2,200 back. But it's bullish. It's basically, they were just sweeping that liquidity. And they pretty much went down to this high. Basically, whoever was short here had an opportunity to get out. Okay, a bit of selling now coming in. Has to be because of that. Might even drop somewhere here. but they haven't got much time. Half an hour more till 4 p.m. when the lunch will start. So in my opinion, they should push this through that and go higher. Maybe even to this POC. It's 29. To start distribution up there. And then decide what to do after lunch. Continue up. Or maybe just sell everything. We'll see. If we drop lower, I'll have to add. Because that was like first try and second try lower. And if it doesn't work, yeah. Should I close this? I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna re-enter somewhere here.
Order submitted.
Forgot about that. I got only 5 more minutes. Yeah, but that's okay. I can still fool around here a little bit. Nah, they want to go up. Just stay here for this long. Yeah, they're gonna go.
Order
Fine. It's a very strong market today. I'm gonna hold this now.
Order submitted.
I don't know. Let's wait.
Order cancelled.
Let's wait. Let's see what's gonna happen. They're gonna drop one more time. I'm kind of chasing this. Dollar is pushing up a little bit. $27, so 3 more minutes. And we will have stop losses up here. I think this is just the first pullback out. I would expect that they will try to go up. Unless this is just Europe getting out.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Because Europe is getting out. Not yet, actually, no. I think that's still 1 hour to get up. To get out. Europe is closing at 4:30. Delta is kind of down. Let's see a pop on a Delta right now. A pop on this Delta and push into the highs. Okay. It's now or never, basically. Yeah.
Order filled.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna short this now. So we had first leg. Let's see if we can get a second leg into here. I hope this is not gonna just rip into my face. It's holding here. Okay.
Or, orders. Order submitted.
So that's supposed to drop and it didn't. So now I'm
Order
long.
submitted.
I'll just add another 10. So again, same problem as today morning. Well, now it shows me 20. It took a while to show the 20. What's going on with this? Okay. Let's hold this now. Yeah. Just gonna
Order
add one more.
submitted.
I like that. We're gonna sell like one here. I mean, first package will be sent. So this will be sold here. A second package. Once we take
Order submitted.
the top. Yeah, I like that delta is coming back. We are building volume. I mean, this is delta. But we are building volume here and here. Now it's about holding, really. That's what it is all about. Just holding. Pop above the 50. Use these shorts to propel the move to the upside. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Let's pay ourselves for the stop loss.
Order
Okay.
canceled.
And we can just take 5 somewhere here.
Order submitted.
At this point, if you short, you know you're wrong. Don't die yet. Just push. And I haven't got the best entry. Just be patient. So I can be wicked here. So that's 20 moving average here. They can always pull it back into this 20. Well, okay, good. That's aggressive buying. That's what I want to see. Now just keep buying it to the top. This is where you can sell your harvest. They got it, everything. That was, let's remember that was a 50% drop, almost. They have a lot of longs. I can go much higher. I'd like to cover some just to pay for my trials. But that looks good. 228. And just patience really now. Just patience. Okay.
Order filled.
Pay a little bit. And now it's all about. We're gonna take
Order
5
submitted.
here as well. Once we take the stop losses. Are we gonna run?
Order
10?
canceled. It's gonna pull back to 18. Yeah, it will pull back to 18, I think. So now, this question, are we gonna pull lower and it's gonna stop me out? Or should I move my stop loss? Order canceled.
I wanted to take a little bit. So I can see a bit of absorption here. Let's just leave this. Let's see what we're gonna get. So if this move, if we push,
Order submitted.
you'll have to sell a bit here for sure. The moment they push through the stop losses, we're just gonna. Shorts will be closing. So we can just get a nice push to 23, 24. And after that, anything can happen. We can come back down. We can continue go up. But at the moment, yeah, they're struggling a little bit. We got time. We are entering this resistance area. POC is at 32. So possibility we could go there. To 32, 39. We'll see. Let's look at this pullback now. How deep is this gonna pull? I mean, yeah. Good, they found buyers. So they tried once, they tried second time, they found buyers. I think we're gonna be attacking the top. 800, good delta. I mean, we had 3,000 on the drop, but then immediately bought that. 2,300 delta, 413 delta. That's good. $4,322. This is where the stop losses are. And on the burst of stop losses. It doesn't mean it has to happen now. They can just stay here for another 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and wait till the next period. $18. We'll do that. Sorry, we'll do this. None. 10. We drop lower.
Order submitted.
Will be stopped on this one. But we'll buy 1 point lower. Well, that means that they'll have to break that 18. I don't think they're gonna do this. Delta is strong. I think we're just gonna hold that pattern for a while. We might drop later before the push. We'll see. $15. This is looking good. They can even start the move here. If they start move right now, that means they want to go higher. If they wait 15 minutes, that means that they want to sell. And it doesn't mean we're just going to continue immediately up. If they decide to move like pretty much soon, then that means they are rushing to go up. But I'm thinking they'll have to go like pretty soon, or at the full hour push for the stop losses, sell. And yeah, because we're quite extended. We look at this gap. It's we're really extended. It doesn't mean that we're not going to push into that. They will use these stop losses to push into that area. 28, 31. At 29, we have POC. So POC is at 29. I just put that thing here. POC is at 29. What's going on here? This is why we turn around, because there was this 30 minutes. We dropped below, they grabbed the stop losses. Yeah. So it makes sense. I missed that bit in my analysis, and there was also a view up approaching. So, but yeah, the main thing that they grabbed it, volume and volume here, that little bit. That's the most important. Oh, I'm gonna be stopped or what? Okay.
Order filled.
Can re-enter it again. Like I wanted to do it. And it's just a liquidity grab, right? Fuck. I will be stopped here anyway. Yeah. $11 more minutes. Now they're
Order
gonna use the
submit.
stop losses
Order submitted.
in these shorts to push higher. Yeah, I think I'm short. I mean, I'm long. I want to see these shorts to panic and start closing and propel the move into the top. So we have stop losses from here. We have stop losses, yeah, basically above this level. The moment we push through that, we should get a nice acceleration to the upside. Beautiful buy. So these shorts now will be closing above here. I want to add into that.
Order
I wanna add
submitted.
into this thing because it's it looks bullish. Delta pushing higher. I mean, if we drop, we drop. It's all right. But I'm pretty sure these shorts now, they will be getting out. Come on. Yeah. Almost fucking pulled me out. I'm not gonna allow this. Don't know what they're doing, but I still believe we're gonna push into the last 8 minutes. There's no point to drop. There's no point to drop this market yet. Without proper selling first. But I might be wrong, obviously. It's the worst situation when you're really sure about something. That's the problem. Yeah. It looks like I'm wrong. It looks like I'm wrong. Unless they wanted to come and grab it. I mean, Delta is still positive on this. That was the bit of volume that they could have taken. Okay. This isn't looking too good right now. 54. 6 more minutes. So they grabbed that volume as well. The situation is that they have a lot of longs right now. They've been buying here as well. It's a possible, really possible move to the upside. In 5 more minutes, this candle will have to close up here. Basically, above the 20 moving average. No. Hmm. Hmm. So was it a distribution then? Bit of selling. And Delta is still up. Even the price was going down, Delta was holding. Delta is holding, so 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Jump over that and continue up. And sell it up here. That will be ideal situation for market makers. They grabbed a lot. They have stop losses here. They got interested, bears got interested. They started to short this. Yeah.
Order
see some
submitted.
buying.
Order submitted.
Wasn't even able to get that. Only 2 contracts. Up. And another 5-minute up. 2 more minutes on this candle. Go a little bit lower in case they want to. We have a buyer here at 315. So every time it touches, somebody's buying and somebody's in front of me. That's why I cannot get filled on these 3 contracts. So there is a buyer. That's good. One more minute. So there's no really point to go lower because they already been there. They already collected the stop losses from here.
Order submitted.
Okay, I got filled. They want to go lower, and that means that they just want to dump it. As simple as that. That means that they're not going to sell anything up there. They just
Order.
what order? Been already filled, right? 17. No, 17. 19. Why am I? Okay. 18. Alright. Let's see. So if they want to sell, they will sell it, and that's it. We'll have to get out from this. And Delta is still holding. That Delta is still holding. You see this price was going kind of down, but Delta is still holding. We have this volume here. They're grabbing it all the time. I mean, they do have everything. It's a question of whether they want to now dump it. And if they do, that's okay. We're gonna close. That's it. It does look like they. I was thinking, what is Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq is. Yeah, Nasdaq is basically the same place. I don't know. I still think that there is a possibility of selling this higher. It's like I launched them right now, I think. York time, 12 o'clock. So, yeah, the ideal scenario would be if they push to sell into that. Like I said before. And now we have stop losses here. And we have stop losses here as well. That's another half an hour period. Yeah, well, let's just hold this position. Even down here, there's no really reason, because they have grabbed that liquidity. Yeah, they shouldn't even drop down. I mean, if they drop down here, then we have to get out. But they might just do a little flash and come back just to grab the liquidity again. Okay. Okay.
Order submit. Order submitted.
I'm gonna add more. At lower node volume. Yeah, this might be a bit longer wait. Because we're entering the lunch time, and market may just stay here for a while. Still would like to see this at 430, a nice push, at least into these stop losses. Well, for sale, because they need to sell that, all of that volume, all of this volume here. They have collected it and they have not managed to sell it yet. So price is going down, but delta is holding. That's a bearish diversion, bullish diversion, and that means that buying I will drop. So let's hold this. Yeah, so we got a nice push. At the bottom. $15 more minutes. In the 20. Push over 50. And then to the top. Delta still holding. Everything is looking okay. We haven't got the best position, but we can improve this position by selling. We got 5 here and 5 here. If we sell 10 here, then automatically our position will be improved. Yeah. So let's do that. Just sell.
Order submitted.
We'll just sell here. Because we have 5 here and 5 here. So if we sell a test of 50 at 17, that's theoretically should improve our position. Push one more. Come on. Still not ready. So we can add another 5 here if we drop.
Order submitted.
Drop lower. No. Okay.
Order
That's
canceled.
fine. We don't need to get that one. Beautiful. That's a beautiful. I'm actually gonna close this somewhere here because I think we're gonna jump over that 50 now. Tested twice, they couldn't go lower. We have a decent amount of shorts right now. Locked it on here. And now we can just push for this into that. 10 more minutes to close this period. And new stop losses will be defined here. I mean, they're already defined here. Yeah, 21. It's looking good. It is looking good. Now, I think okay, I'm not gonna add, should have add here. I just hold this, alright, okay, nice. Couple of guys just close along. Delta looks strong. So should continue up. So this whole idea about, okay, selling in here that we were taking parts was a good idea. The only thing is that they decided to take one more period and build up even bigger position. And now with that bigger position, they are ripe to push into the highs and take out whoever's short here and there. All the people will be short. All the people who are short, they're going to be closing position in here. So this is the first stop loss here. I'm gonna take 10 on that stop loss, maybe 15, because you never know.
Order
they're not going to
submitted.
just continue after that lower. But I will keep another 10 here, and we will sell 5 here.
Order
We're
submitted.
going to run another 5 if it goes higher. That's okay. A little bit of profit taking. Hopefully nothing serious. That looks good. 1,500. 500, 1,000. Yeah. This looks like it could push through the highs. 5 more minutes. Hmm? Ooh, that's not what I wanted to see. It's not looking too good. That's not looking good, my friend. Okay, I've got some buying coming in, but these are just shorts closing position, I guess. Hmm. 4 minutes. I mean, definitely if this goes below that range, I'm out. There's no question about that. I have to be out. Hmm. Oh, good. Green is coming in. Two more minutes. If we don't close somewhere here on this candle, then there's no hope. I have to close up. Or even close in the green. That's looking better now. 49 seconds. Yeah, yes, that's what we want to see. So now all the shorts are trapped really badly. Really badly. Now we need to have continuation on that move up. Delta is looking good. They still need to sell this. They need to sell this above. That doesn't look like a selling. Every time we drop, they are buying it. Yeah. And now push. This is the time to shine. Yep. Drive them up. Squeeze them now. Don't let me close this here. Squeeze them. Yeah, you grab them by the balls. Squeeze them short. Squeeze them short now. Come on. Bring some volume. Green volume. God damn it. Really? Oh, wait. No fucking way. Come on. It's the breakout candle. Let's go. The trend is up. Today is up. Everybody's buying. Lots of shorts trapped below. You got a lot of longs to sell. I need to push this at some point. I don't know if I'm not going to just sell 10 here. One more minute on this candle. Beautiful. Take the high, take the high, take that high, take that high. Take that high. This high. Take it. Yes. Yes, we're doing it. That's it, that's it, that's it. And push through this now. Push, 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 push. Okay, we're gonna take 10.
Order canceled.
We're gonna take
Order
10
canceled.
just to feel a little bit better. Basically, we got out from one of the positions that we had. Improved our average. We can run this 15, sell 5. Let's see what's next. Green. Okay, what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is pushing as well. Everybody's pushing. We like that. A lot of volume. A lot of shorts. Now they're going to be closing position. The final close. It will start here. They're going to be, oh no, I don't want to be in this anymore. They're going to be getting out. So this delta, that was a bullish diversion. Price was going down. Delta was holding. This is why I stayed in this trade. And I was even adding here and here. That gave me the confidence to hold this. Because now we should push higher. What's that? Just a little pullback. Hope so. Back 50, 29. Yeah, we have big buys coming in. It's just painful climb. But with this kind of volume, they can really push. And the moment they push above that thing, above this level, we can really go. So I got a message from Apex and it says that we are aware of the rhythmic outage. We will be fixing all accounts impacted by the it once resolved at the end of the day. So I had that issue with that I couldn't close my position today. And it looks like this is just a rhythmic issue. That's it. That's it. This is it. So remember first, you can close that 5 here, and we're gonna run 10. We're gonna run the 10. That's what we're gonna do. Come on. I know I'm greedy, but you know you want to go there. You know you want to go there. Front running, okay, fuck off.
Order cancelled.
Now we're gonna hold. So we got stop losses here. Meaning we will sell 5.
Order submitted.
And let's see. Because now when we push through that 22, that's gonna be a crazy push. Crazy push. I'm really tempted to take one more. Because we might fall down a little bit. But Why would you do that? Don't allow them to get out. Yeah, I can read on my forum that people are saying, "I just close my short." Yeah, they were shorting it. Believe it or not, but people are shorting that. Okay, just gonna get out of here. So that's our 5. And will be what we want to do now with this. Technically, they sold. And we could just drop after that, but taking in consideration they had so many of these contracts, I mean, huge volume. I think we're just gonna continue. Which is difficult because we are approaching this resistance one more time. But this is how resistance is taken by shorts closing in panic. We could get a nice push to 28, 29 even. I like that it's holding this level. I like delta. Target for 329. I'm not sure if we're gonna do this during the lunchtime. Only because it's lunchtime. I'm gonna close this.
Order filled.
And that brings us to almost 400 on a day. I don't like the idea of holding stuff when we push through stop losses on the lunch time frame, because most of the breakouts during the lunch are failing. So yeah, we got out here, we got out here, we got out here. So yeah, we might just drop, really. But I'm not gonna short this. For me, that's the end of the day. I think I might come back after lunch and see if we continue up. But at this point I can see that they have sold into these stop losses. It wasn't a big sell-off, but they've been selling a little bit here, they've been selling a little bit out here, and they've been selling a little bit out here. So got another 15 minutes. Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. All right. It was a good trade. I had issue today with at the open Apex. We are using something like this called Rhythmic, and Rhythmic had an issue, and I couldn't close my position. I was short and I was in profit, and I couldn't close my position, and I ended up like with minus 1,000. So I wrote to Rhythmic and to Apex, and they replied to me and they said, yeah, this is a Rhythmic issue. We're gonna fix all of that. You know, all the accounts will be back where they were before the issue. So it's all good. So I opened. I have another 2 accounts so I started to trade another 2 accounts. Made like almost 400 on them, 395. So I took a long on this range now, and I just sold it. So I'm happy to finish today. I'm not gonna trade today anymore. I need to go to gym, do some exercise, because I've been sitting 3 days in a row without moving much. So yeah. I had an issue today with Apex and Rhythmic. I was in a position like at the open market was going up. I added short and then went up a little bit, just a little bit more, and I added another one. And then it dropped, and I was in profit, and I wanted to close my position. I couldn't close, and I was just pressing this button, close, close, close. I couldn't fucking close anything. And then I see my position has moved somewhere else. It looks like I'm long. I keep pressing this close button. I couldn't, and eventually they closed me at like minus $1,118, which is ridiculous. I was supposed to be break even. I was closing like a break even point. So I did record that second bit when everything was basically not working properly, and I dropped it on YouTube. And I wrote to Apex and I sent them a link as well to YouTube. And they replied to me, they said, we are aware of the Rhythmic outage. We will be fixing all accounts impacted by it once resolved at the end of the day. Please see our status update for when it's fixed. So yeah, that's good. So this recording is also good because it kind of guarantees that you can, if some issue happens, then I can, it's not like, oh yeah, but I never pressed the buy button, and they can't tell me, oh yeah, you did press the buy button or something. No, I didn't. So I'm gonna record everything. I forgot to record at the beginning of the day, but I've been recording everything.